Hey guys, my name is Chris, and today we will be coding a simple project in Visual Basic. Visual Basic is Microsoft's coding language, and it's pretty out of date, but I kind of like it. I like it for the visual aspect. I like to be able to actually design something um, that's, you know, the form and everything. I really like that part of it. Anyway, what we're doing today is we're going to code a really simple tip calculator. You should be able to put in a total, get the tip amount, and also get the new total, including the tip, right? I want to be able to. There's a couple ways we can do it. We can do it simply where we have the user input the total, the tip amount, and then we spit back out, the equation or the answer for the equation. Or we can have it select different options for the tip amount and have set options. We could possibly also do it where they can have set amounts and also select the one they want or the put in a user input. Either way would we'll see what happens. We'll see how squirrely we get. Additionally, I want to use one of those like switch buttons, but I haven't used one in a while and I can't remember how to code it. So we're gonna see if I can remember if I can like drag it out of the memory bank and put it together, or if we just stumble through and I'll be like, I'll just do it next time. We'll see. So let's get started. Let's first do our design. So let's go to View, Toolbox. Let's see here. Let's check the list box. Oh, that's not what we want. We don't want that. Let's just do the basics. Let's start with the basics. Let's do a text box. Well, a label. Let's start here. A label. Um, we'll need multiple labels. We will also need at least one text box, and we'll need some buttons. Ooh, I see over here. There we go. All right, so we'll close this for now. Oh wait, no, let's not close that for now. Let's go back to that. Let's see which one it might be for the background, not the button checkbox. Da, da, da. Do we have list box? I don't think so. I think it's a radio button. Yes, it's a radio button. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to do a radio button and see how that goes, and we'll go from there, like after that. So let's try the radio button. Let's do button one, and we need another one. So copy, paste, button two. We need a title. So let's call this tip calculator. Enter. Let's make it bigger. Auto size. No, it doesn't matter. Well, it doesn't matter. Where is it? Here we go. Let's make this 20. Yep. We're gonna stick it right over here for now. I won't even name it because it's not important. Go back over here. We need one more label box. Okay. Um, this makes sense of all this garbage. Let's see. Um, Label two is going to be enter your total. Put this over here. There we go. That's our text box that's going to put the total in. And let's do another one. Copy, paste. Say select tip amount. Wait. Okay. We'll put the radio button here. We'll put one here. We'll copy, paste, paste, paste. And we'll also copy this, copy, paste, and we'll stick it down here to say other amount. Paste. Okay. Okay, so now we need to show the answers somewhere. This is about the ugliest app I've ever seen in my entire life, and that's okay. That's definitely okay. um, mm, I'm trying to make this not as ugly as it actually is. Let's see. Okay, V. This will go here. This one will actually matter. So we'll call this LBL tip amount. We'll also take out, well, we can hold it like that for a while. Let's do text align. We'll make it in the center. We'll also give it a border. I like borders. Don't judge me. Okay, and we also need to make it take off the auto size. So this will go here. And then we'll just, oops, yep, copy and paste that. Stick it here. And say nothing, because that doesn't need to be changed. We'll call it total, your total with tip. We'll say plus tip. Okay, and then we'll um, call this one label total tip. All right, now let's do buttons. We'll call this button BTN. Oops, B BTN cow. Jeez, I'm getting tired, I guess. And we'll calculate for that button. And then the last button we will do as our exit button, our very important exit button. Okay, so this is our layout. That was a lot of work. Oh crap, we forgot the radio buttons. Hold on. Let's do, I actually don't remember what they call the radio buttons, so we'll call it RDO. Maybe it's rad. Rad 5. Is 5% too low for a tip? That's nothing. Let's do 10. What does tip starts at? 15? Yeah, sure, whatever. 15%. Let's do 20%. 25%. And then 30%. I don't think mine's tipping that, but listen, it is what it is. And then we'll add this over here a little closer. Go back to 20, and we need to label these guys. Okay, and then we'll do text, tip, other. Okay, so I think we've gotten, oh, nope. Okay, so I think now we've gotten everything labeled. Looks like so. We've got everything labeled. It's not the most beautiful calculator in the world or whatever in the world. Oh, let's also name the form. Well, that's not what I wanted to do. Text, we'll call this a tip. And while we're here, the last thing we'll do before we call it for this session is we're going to go ahead and code the exit button. You know how I like the exit buttons. We're going to code that real quick, and then we'll call it for this one, and I'll see you guys in the next one. But just like, let me do this first. Um, all right, so we did that. And let's make some notes while I'm here. Let's make some notes. So we'll say user inputs total free tip, user selects radio button or adds custom tip. Wait, no, hold on. User clicks calculate program calculates program, sorry, hold on. Program parses text input, program calculates tip total, program let's see, what should we say? To uh, output tip amount to label, output total, including tip to label. So that's what's going to happen when we get back. That's label. Nope, label. Whatever. Spelling is not the concern right now. So we're going to do that when we get back. This is the order of events that's going to happen, and then we'll just start working through that on the next one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you guys are following along. And if you like it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.